Babe? Babe? Babe, the cat is about to attack your feet in those socks. Babe? Music's too loud. I keep telling them they shouldn't have the volume up so much. One day they'll regret it. I should just let it happen. As a matter of fact... And here we see the world's most ferocious beast in their natural habitat, carefully stalking their unsuspecting prey. One wrong move, and their quarry might make a break for it. See how the terrifying toe beans muffle the click of their claws? Clearly an animal of cunning and killer instinct. Their fur may be soft and warm, but make no mistake, viewers. This is a stone-cold killer. This intimidating specimen of deadly precision has come across a bit of luck. Though this animal is an opportunistic prowler, capable of slaughtering any number of species of prey, its victim of choice? Vulnerable human feet. And not just any vulnerable human feet. Feet encased in fluffy socks. Their socks may look thick and fluffy, but they stand no chance of defending the wearer from those merciless, razor-sharp teeth. And today, those fluffy-socked feet have made the critical error of venturing under a computer desk, the wearer blissfully unaware of the great peril they're in. Note that the wearer has made the fatal mistake of dampening their sense of hearing by employing a set of headphones. They remain completely ignorant of the monster stalking them at this very moment. Nor do they hear the narrator giving a real-time play-by-play of their impending doom. Had they left one ear uncovered, they might hear their mate cry, "Look out!" Oh my gosh, babe. Are you okay? Yeah. I see that you fell after the cat attacked your feet. I tried to tell you, but your music was too loud. I'm sorry. It was just really funny. I'm sorry. Here, let me help you up. Here, let me get your chair. Man, I can't believe I got that all on video. That was fucking amazing. Why didn't I warn you that your feet were in danger? I tried, babe, but you had your music too loud. How could I let such a teachable moment go to waste? I keep telling you, if you keep listening at that volume, you're gonna end up regretting it one day. So, when I saw our little apex predator zero in on your socks, I just let nature run its course. Alright, I'll stop teasing you. Here. We're both very sorry for scaring you like that. Can you forgive us? Please? You forgive us? Yay! Here, come here. I'll kiss it better. I'll go keep our little unholy terror occupied so you can get some work done. Sound good? Sounds good to me too.